Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this doppelganger effects in CapCut PC. So there are two ways that you can do the easy way, then also the hard way. I'm going to show you the hard way first. So for the hard way, you can just copy and paste the clip like this. So there are two clips, and on the overlay on the second video, you can just go to the remove background. So I'm going to just use the auto removal, and in here it will be processing, and after the background of the overlay has been removed, you can just move the overlay like this. So there are two like this, so it will create this doppelganger effect. So that's the hard way. And the easiest way, you can just go to CapCut effects, the body effects, and find the clone effects in here from category. Then you can just use this doppelganger effect. So just drag it like this, and it will be applied to the clips. Here you can adjust the durations, and here you can also adjust the twist, the strength of the doppelganger, and the amount of percent. And this can choose it. I'm going to just go with 3. Here you can also rotate it like this and adjust the speed. So that's it. That's how you can create the doppelganger effect. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.